Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you how to download and install Anaconda Navigator into your Windows 10 operating system. Let's open Google Chrome and type www.anaconda.com and hit the enter button. Now as you can see there's a products line there. Click on individual edition. Now you have to scroll down, keep scrolling it till you get to see download option, which is this. Now this is for Windows version. Since mine is Windows version, I'll download the Windows version only. This is for Mac OS and this is for Linux operating system. Make sure that you download the latest version of Python, and my system is 64-bit operating system, so I'm gonna click on this link. If you are using any antivirus in your system, then you might get such option. Here you have to click on keep button and the download will get started. This might take some time, it depends on your internet speed. My internet speed is a bit slow for now. As you can see, our file has got downloaded. Now open the file and you can close the Google Chrome now, since there is no use of Google Chrome now. Okay, the setup is loading. Now click here on next button and make sure to read all the terms and conditions, and then go for I agree button. I'm going to click all users, since I'm going to install this only for one time. You can click any option. Then click next. Now click next again. Here, if you have downloaded Python, any version of Python in your system before, or there is any Python in your system installed already, then please make sure that you do not click on this option. Since I don't have any Python versions downloaded before, so I'm going to click this option. Let's click on install. The installation process has been started, and this will take a very long time usually. Let's wait for it to get finished. Now click next here. Click finish. We have downloaded the Anaconda. Now click on start button and search Anaconda. Click on Anaconda prompt and now type Python and hit the enter button. As you can see, The Python version is 3.7.6, which is the latest version. We have successfully downloaded and installed Anaconda Navigator into a system. Don't forget to like and share the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos.